Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you that insert a string and a character and write a C program to check how many times the character is repeated or not. So before jump into the program, I give you a brief idea that how to execute the program. So at first you insert a string, then scan a character, then you use the for loop in which there is one if loop is present. If the string equal to character, then it will increase the value of num, before which I include the num equal to 0, then it will simply how many times the str string function equal to character is present, then it will increase the value of num by 1, and at last whole the loop is executed, it will simply the value of num. So let's jump in the program. There I show you that. So let's jump into the program. Here you see that when you wanna work with the string function, then you have to include the string.h header file along with the standard input output stdio.h with confirm input output conio.h. Then you see here it is the string str100. Simply it will store the how many number of the string you want to input, then comma n is the number character you want to see that whether it will present in the string function or not. Then I use the num equal to 0. Simply it will increase the value how many number of n will present in the str100. And then I function, simply it is helpful in the create the loop of for loop and length. Now I use the gets function str in order to scan the values, scan the string, sorry, scan the string you want to input in the, and scan a function, simply it will scan the character. Next I use the length equal to star length dot str. Why I use the length? And next in the for loop you see that I equal to 0, I less than len. So it gives a brief idea about the whatever the length of the string, it will simply enter into the len function, length function, and it will for loop is continue up to I equal to 0 to I less than the size of the length. As it is the incremental function, so I plus plus here it is used. And if function, if string I equal to n, that means at which value, at which position of the string the n is present, it will simply check it. Okay, so suppose if str1 equal to n, suppose it will execute this function, that is num plus plus. Previously I input the num equal to 0, so it will increment the value by 1 and it will simply store here. So the store process is last for the length. Okay, so at last the num, if num value is stand up to the 5, then it comes out from this loop and it's simply the print num equal to 5. So let's check. So here is the output screen. Here I simply put my name here. Here you see that from n to a there are 8 characters are there, and previously I told you that in str100, that string 100, the 100 character it will store, and simply n character it will store in str1 and a character in store up to str8. Okay, here you see str at str5 and str8, the 2 times a is repeated, so it will simply increase the value of this num and it will increase the value of num up to 2 times, that a's value is repeated 2 times. If I here input the character is a, then it will simply increase the value of num 2 times and it will print the string equal to 2. That's it. If you have still any problem persist here, write down on the comment section, I will surely answer it. Thank you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you.